Hello, how are you today? I would like to show you how I make or how I'm going to be making my pineapple mint juice. So let's get to it right away. So the main ingredients that you usually need to have is the pineapple and mint and maybe sugar, or you can choose to use honey. So the ingredients I have for me is pineapple, and this is mint, then I have honey, and this two right here is lemon. This is not a must, but you can always add if you want. So for me, I wanted to have that taste of lemon in my pineapple, so hence to these two lemons. So let's get to working right away. So I'm going to start by chopping this. So let's get to that right away. So now I have mint. So this mint, I'm going to remove the leaves and put them in here. So I'll be plucking them and putting them in there. Next, I have these two lemons. I'm going to squeeze out the juice using the squeezer. So they already washed, but let me rinse them off again. lemon water in here. Yep. Then let me get ready to blend. So now I'm going to blend. So now it's time for me to save the juice. So let's do that right away. So that's my juice right now, as of now. That's how it looks like. That's the juice. So now let me put honey in there. So now it's time to add honey in here. So let me add my honey. I think that's enough. Then I'm going to stir until everything is mixed up together well. Now I'll be putting the juice in here and store it in the fridge. So first let me pour it in here so that it's easy to put it. in the fridge. Hello, so I'm now done with making the juice. It is super delicious. I've already taken it. I won't lie, this is not the first sip, but for the last one, it's hitting in all the right corners. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you soon on another video. Bye bye. Cheers.